Academic Maths Nursery 4 Plus, page 19. Dear children, today we will read about number 7. Say aloud and trace with fingertips. Starting from the top, follow the given pattern. Now say aloud. 7, 7, 7. What do you see on this page? Yes, you are right. 7 fishes. That's good. STEAM activity. Use crayons or colored pencils of 7 different colors and draw a rainbow. Ask your teacher to tell you about which colors a rainbow has. Then create a beautiful rainbow by yourself. Be careful about the order of colors in the rainbow. Think and tell. How many days are there in a week? Let me tell you an interesting fact. A week has 7 days. So the correct answer will be 7. Dear teachers, make the children learn tracing, speaking, and writing the numeral 7. Tell them about the objects that are naturally found as 7 entities, 7 continents in the world, etc. Help them with STEAM activity. Use Santry to trace the numeral 7 and practice accordingly. Have a nice day.